for you guys. Integra GSR turbo project. I'm gonna be doing tonight. Hopefully we'll get it done. It's a little chilly out. I got mangling and tangling all the parts over there. Gonna throw this bad girl sheepy boosted boy 635 in this Johnny. Clean GSR Integra. About to get it in. Now we had it all pieced out on the floor. Now what's left is just oil pan, injectors, fuel pump 1000 cc's, Walbro 450. We're gonna change out the radiator for a little more slim one. This is about big as my finger. Too thick, don't clear the wastegate right there. But yeah guys, we got it all practically all put together. Need one more clamp over there, that one don't fit. But yeah guys, we should be ready to get cooking here soon. Radiator. Does it have a big ass fan like this one or a little slim one?
Big one.
A big ass one?
Watch go.
That Red Johnson. Let's go to Corbin's real quick to pick up the rest of the stuff. And I'll get my radiator that's slim.
No, I didn't.
Now contact like this.
Like what?
Slim radiator fan. Oh yeah, solid installation. What the fuck? Alright guys, we're here figuring out this GSR Integra, a buddy of mine. It's kind of being all over the place with us, but we're gonna figure it out, fight it all off. We're gonna do a first and third baseline pull so you guys can see kind of where the car's at right now. Alright, let's cook it up. Feel comfortable here. Go to like first gear. Everything was filmed here in Mexico.